Good evening, Ma'am Bless. This is my bloopers news report. Unexpected on-air moments leave viewers long. Manila, Philippines. Not all news moments go exactly as planned, and today broadcast gave viewers a good laugh after series of unexpected on-air bloopers. During a live segment, a news anchor accidentally misread the teleprompted pausing means sentence mid-sentence before laughing and starting over. Moment later, a reporter in the field was briefly interrupted with a curious dog wander into the frame, stealing the spotlight. In other amusing moment, a sudden gust of wind blew papers of the anchor's desk, causing both anchors to burst into laughter while trying to continue the report personally. Despite the minor mishap, the new team handled the situation with humor and grace. Viewers took to social media to share clip of the bloopers, praising the anchor of keeping the broadcast lighthearted and relatable. The station later shared a behind-the-scenes video, reminding audiences that even professionals have off day, and that little laughter can brighten everyone's day, and that today bloopers report proof, and sometimes the best moments happen when things don't go according to the plan.